Good morning, Spinster Books fans. It is Saturday. It is lovely out there. Nice and crisp air, a little bit of sunshine for you people who like that. And we are here from noon to 2 today, or maybe a little after if it's still busy, but we will be here. We'll have a couple of carts outside, and feel free to come by and say hello, take a look at stuff. We pulled out some Halloween stuff too we can show you. Be sure to check in the display windows and see what new stuff is there. And now it's time for the 10-minute story hour. Today's book is Dog and Bear. 2 friends, 3 stories. Does anyone recognize someone on the cover? May look a little like Miss Charlie. There. Not bad. I think she's got her own book. All right, here we go. Dog and Bear. This one's called Bear in the Chair. Is that you, Bear? Yes, dog. It's a beautiful day, said Dog. Come outside with me. I can't get down, said Bear. Well, just jump. Oh, but I'm scared. Not to worry, Bear. I will help you. Come closer. You can slide down my back. You can do it, said Dog. Bear was more frightened than ever. Dog said, take one step. One little tiny step. Now take one more. With each step, Bear became braver. Finally, Bear reached Dog. Whew, that was fun. Good. Now can we go out, said Dog. Where's your scarf? Uh-oh, said Bear. Maybe we should just stay inside, said Dog. Oh, forgot his scarf. This one's called Play With Me, Play With Me. Sounds like somebody I know. Bear, will you play with me? Not right now, Dog. I'm reading my book. Please, Bear, play with me. I'm reading a story about a dog and a stuffed bear. Very meta. Oh, Bear, play with me. In this book, the dog and the bear are best friends. Come on, Bear, play with me. Although they love to be together, sometimes the bear just needs time to himself, said Bear. Play with me, play with me. Play with me, play with me. The bear tried to explain to the dog, but the dog did not understand. Bear continued, play with me, play with me. After a while, the bear realized that the dog just wanted to be his friend, said Bear. All right, Dog, I will play with you now. What shall we do? Oh, read to me, read to me. Charlie likes to be read to as well. This one's called Fido. Nope. Dog changes his name. Duke. Nope. Rover. Nope. I'm changing my name, said Dog. But why, Dog? Because Dog is B-O-R-I-N-G. From now on, call me Spot. But you don't have any spots. What about Fluffy? Said Dog. You're not Fluffy. Oh, how about Prince? Oh no, said Bear. Champ? Probably not. Skippy. Oh, Bear smiled. Zippy? Bear thought for a moment. How about my best friend Dog, said Bear. Oh, I like that, said Dog. or just dog for short. Perfect, said Bear. Well, that was Charlie's contribution to the reading today, and as you can see, incredibly interested. Yes, indeed. There's our dog right there. Oh, so peaceful. What a sweetie. Usually. So that was Dog and Bear. That was the 10-minute story hour. What do we have to tell you today? Not much. We're in a good mood today. We all got up on the right side of the bed, basket or crate, wherever we were sleeping. We've got a lot of books. We've got a lot of new stuff. Yeah, it's not that cold out. Come on out, and we'll see you when we see you. Everybody wear your masks, sanitize your hands, do your social distancing. We're going to beat this thing. Thanks much. Don't forget to vote, 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 vote. All righty, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.